The African Energy Chamber has highlighted Ghana's readiness to attract significant investment into its energy sector, citing the country's ambitious energy master plan as a strong indicator of its commitment. Ghana has about 17 oil and gas projects lined up for development by 2027, a measure that underscores the country's drive to position itself as a leading petroleum hub in Africa. During the Invest in African Energy's Accra investor briefing, Executive Chairman of the Africa Energy Chamber, Ayuk, called on African leaders, particularly Ghana, to prioritize oil and gas exploration to harness the country's vast energy potential.
Call for increased investment in Ghana's oil and gas sector have intensified as government takes steps to address challenges deterring potential investors. Despite the hurdles, Ghana is emerging as a key hub for energy investment. Government is committed to attracting major players across the oil, gas and renewable energy sectors, with over 17 oil and gas projects planned for development by 2027 and recent and upcoming regulatory reforms aimed at enhancing investment and foreign participation. The country is set to be on the right direction towards maximization of its energy resources. A cornerstone of this strategy is Ghana's Gas Master Plan, which outlines market growth through attraction of capital and technology deployment across the gas value chain by 2040. At the Invest in African Energy's Accra investor briefing, Executive Chairman of the African Energy Chamber, Ayuk, commended Ghana's strategic efforts and called on African leaders to prioritize oil and gas exploration to help promote development.
As we go forward, all I want to urge you, believe in the potential of Ghana, what it can represent, not just to this country, but also to the region, and also to Africa. Believe in this black shining star that has always been that liberating front when it comes to energy.
The Deputy Minister of Energy and Green Transition is Mr. Richard Jan Mensah.
To the investors gathered here and beyond, Ghana is open for business. There are vast unlicensed acreages in Ghana's offshore and onshore sedimentary basin available for licensing through direct negotiations. Opportunities also exist for data acquisition in the sedimentary basin to complement existing data sources. There are also partnership or farming opportunities in some of the contract areas, and my ministry is willing to introduce interested investors to the operators in the blocks.
The Invest in African Energy's Accra investor briefing, organized in partnership with the African Energy Chamber and Ghana's Ministry of Energy and Green Transition, provided detailed information on Ghana's energy roadmap, positioning the country as West Africa's premier energy hub and unlocking multi-million-dollar investment opportunities.